Hey friends, today we learn how to create account on Facebook. For that, first of all, install Facebook and then open it. After open the Facebook app, simply click on create new account. Then click on get started. First of all, enter your first name and surname. Then click on next. After enter your name, simply click on next. Enter your date of birth. Then click on next. Select your gender. Then click on next. Enter your phone number. Here you see mobile number and sign up with email address. You can also sign up with email or either phone number. Today we use email address to sign up. Simply click on sign up with email address. Enter your email. After enter your email, simply click on next. Enter your password. Then click on next. Then click on I agree. Enter a verification code you receive on your email. Then click on next. If you want to add your profile picture, simply click on add profile picture and choose it from gallery, and otherwise simply click on skip. If you want to find friends from your contacts, simply turn on, otherwise click on not known. Click on skip. Then click on next. If you want to on notification, then simply click on turn on notification, otherwise click on skip. Then click on three lines in the upper corner. Click on your profile. Then first of all, add cover photo to your account and then edit profile picture by simply click on profile and click on select profile picture and upload it from where you want. Then click on save. And if you want to edit your profile further, simply click on edit profile and edit your profile further. You can successfully create Facebook account. If you like our video, please subscribe.